launch of the Polkadot Hackathon North America Edition 2024. So it's 9 a.m. here over here in Singapore. I think the majority of you are in North America or Europe. So a very good evening to you. So firstly, before we dive into the hackathon stuff, I just wanted to share more about the Polkadot Hackathon Global Series. So for those of you who is joining us for the first time, basically this isn't our first rodeo. So since 2021, we have hosted hackathons across four regions, connecting brilliant minds like yourself with opportunities within Polkadot. So with the incredible support of the Polkadot community, ecosystem teams, Polkadot Blockchain Academy, um, Parity, as well as Web3 Foundation, we have also witnessed the power of collaboration to spread the word of Polkadot, one region at a time. So in 2023, we took things to the next level. Um, we actually flew finalists in to pitch their projects in person in Paris and Seoul, and hopefully we can see you in Austin this time round. Yeah, so let's dive deeper into where we are all here today, why we are all here today. So this hackathon is more than just coding, it's about developer engagement and growth. So we want to empower you, the developers, to push boundaries and create impactful projects that solve real world issues using Polkadot's technology. So it's also about education awareness, right? So this platform provides a space to learn about the latest advancements in Polkadot and explore its potential applications. It's also about community collaboration. So over here, the vibrant Polkadot community unites. We share ideas and then we work together to amplify Polkadot's influence in the global blockchain landscape. Yeah, so that's what we are trying to achieve for this hackathon. Um, And also to fuel your journey, we have incredible partners from the ecosystem. We have ISA, we have Bifrost, Moonbeam, Oak Network, Polymac, and Unique. So really happy to be working with them. Um, so in this run, we are embracing a hybrid hacking so that you can have like the best of both worlds. So there'll be like a virtual hacking period from April 15 to May 6, and you have the flexibility to collaborate and build remotely. And then we'll end off with like a finale in Austin, where if you're selected as a finalist, your journey continues with an in-person finale on May 30th, and then it'll be in Austin, so it held alongside Consensus 2024. So now let's explore the tracks that you can compete in. So basically, we have three tracks this time round. So first will be the smart contracts. So you can unleash the power of Polkadot's multi-chain environment to design secure and efficient smart contracts that push the boundaries of functionality, scalability, and user experience. The second will be Web3 and tooling. So with Polkadot's latest advancements, we challenge you to forge tools that elevate accessibility and resilience within the Polkadot ecosystem. And lastly will be XCM integration. Cross messaging, right? So embrace the power of interoperability by building bridges. We're looking for projects that utilize XCM to enable seamless communication and asset transfer across blockchains within the Polkadot and Kusama networks. And also to make sure you have a smooth journey, let's go over the ground rules. So each team can only have a maximum of 5 members. So and also you can submit one project for one main track and also opt into 3 ecosystem challenges that we have. So that means like additional prizes for you. And also some of the submission essentials. So before the deadline of May 5th, oh, sorry, before the deadline of May 6th, prepare your meeting package as well. Okay, so we also have 5 ecosystem challenges available. So let me introduce the judging criteria first. Sorry. So first of all, we have like the ecosystem impact and usefulness. That would be 5 points, and then we have Web3 contribution and technical advancement. That would be also another 5 points, and we have originality, creativity and innovation. So that would be 5 points, and also technical difficulty and resourcefulness. That's another 5 points, and And lastly, we have mass usability as the judging criteria. So take note of all of these judging criteria when you attempt your project. So in terms of submissions, so before the deadline on 12 p.m. CDT on May 6th, prepare a winning package. So we need like a link to the GitHub repository, and also a clear and concise project description highlighting the problem you're solving and its significance. We also need like a 4 minutes YouTube pitch video where you can um, bring your project to life through that pitch video and convince the judges about its potential. We also need like a project demo link. So this will allow judges to experience your creation firsthand. So the most crucial step is please make sure that all the team members are registered for the hackathon. We need the whole team on board. So that will make your submission eligible for the prizes. All right, moving on. So let's talk about the prizes. So each main track boasts incredible rewards. So actually, first place, you walk away with 20,000 USDC. So this time around, the difference between last year and this year is we are distributing in crypto this time around. And so hopefully that works better for you guys. And also, so for the second place, we'll be giving out 10,000 USDC. And then for the third place, we have 7,000 USDC. So there's more as well. So the finalists pitching in person at in Austin will also receive an additional travel stipend of 3,000 USDC. So for example, if you won the first place for a certain track, the total amount of winnings that you have will be 23,000 USDC. Yeah. And there will also be a shout out on our social media. So that you can also win extra prizes from ecosystem challenges. So to do take a look at our ecosystem challenges. All right. So I'm happy to review our ecosystem challenges. So we have challenges from a few partners from A-Star, Bifrost, Moonbeam, Old Network, and Unique. So each challenge presents a unique opportunity to showcase your skills and contribute to specific projects within the Polkadot ecosystem. So be sure to check out the resources available for each challenge as well. Okay, so first of all, we have A Star. So the challenge is to build a decentralized app leveraging A Star substrate and A Star EVM. So the prize will be a 3 month A Star mentorship program for winning teams. And then you can see the judging criteria over there. So each of the ecosystem challenges, they have their own set of judging criteria. So do take note. Okay, so we have Bifrost. Build a dedicated LST dashboard on top of Omni LSD app. So the first place will walk away with 1,000 USD. Okay, so Oak Network will have two challenges this time round. So firstly, build XCM automation with Turing Network. So the price will be 1,000 USD for the first place. And then for challenge two, we have enhanced automation toolings of Old Network. The first place will also walk away with 500 USDC. Okay. Yeah, then we have Moonbeam. Moonbeam also has two challenges. So you can use Moonbeam's batch as well to batch transactions together. So the first place will walk away with 3,000 USC. And then we have the second place with 2,000 USD. So the second challenge would be to create a guestless experience with Moonbeam's call permit pre-compile. So the first place will have 3,000 and the second place will have 2,000. Okay. And then lastly, we have Unique. So Unique's challenge is to build a unique game the app using the JS TS SDK. So the prize would be 3,000 for first place and then 2,000 for second place. So really lots of prizes for you to win for this hackathon. And also now, here's a glimpse of the support system we have in place. So from 15 April to May 6th, you can tap into the expertise of our incredible mentors from the ecosystem teams. We also have mentors from Polkadot developer heroes and also our past hackathon winners. So check out the mentors gallery in your participant guide to schedule the one-on-one sessions with them. So you can level up your skills with Polkadot 101 workshops on April 16 and 17. So it's perfect for Web 2 and Web 3 developers new to the ecosystem. Additionally, from April 23rd to 25th, ecosystem team workshops will provide deeper insights into tackling specific challenges. Um, don't forget the deadline is May 6, 12 p.m. CDT. So mark your calendars. The finalist teams will then be announced on May 14. Yeah, so it'll be announced on Discord. Okay, so now let's welcome some of the incredible minds who will be guiding and evaluating your journey. We have a dedicated team of 12 mentors ready to guide you. So, featuring representatives from ecosystem teams, we have from Polkadot developer heroes as well, and also past hackathon winners. So yeah, so these are your mentors. So get familiar with them. Okay, we also have like a panel of seven experienced judges from also from the ecosystem teams. They will be evaluating your projects. So their expertise will be very crucial in selecting the winners. So these are our seven judges for this hackathon. Yeah. Okay, so with that, we've come to the end of the opening ceremony actually. So the hackathon is actually just the beginning of your journey. We look forward to seeing your projects in Austin. So imagine yourself showcasing your creations on stage and also networking with the folks within the Polkadot community while you're in Austin, and also winning like a lot of prizes that we have for the participants. Do join our Discord for real-time updates so you can connect with other participants and also mentors over there. And who knows, you may even form your dream team. You can also access our very handy participant guide through Discord. It's packed with tons of valuable resources and also the key dates that you need to note. So all of these are only accessible through Discord. So make sure to join our Discord. All right, for now, feel free to unmute yourself and ask questions or drop them in the chat box below. So with that, let's declare the Polkadot Hackathon North America Edition open. Thanks everyone for attending this opening ceremony. Yay. Let me know if any questions. Hey Tom, nice to see you again. Any questions so far? Yep, so I think you have about 2 to 3 weeks to apply for your visa. So I'll just answer the questions one by one, yeah. So Champagne, we do need you to apply for a visa, so try your best to get a visa before your Austin trip. We can help you with whatever documentations you need. But in the event you're not able to get a visa, then we will work with you on some alternative arrangements. Yeah. Okay, how do we tell you which track we belong in? So in the submission portal, there's actually a field for you to indicate the track that you like to go for. So there are also ecosystem challenges under each track. So just make sure that you select the right ecosystem challenge that ties to your submission as well. Will the mentors have office hours? Um, no. So actually, there's a Calendly link on your PG. So actually, I can walk through the PG with you. One sec. It's taking a while to load. I'm so sorry. Actually, there are links on the left side of the space. You can use it to access the PG easily. Yep, there is a portal. There is a submission portal. It's all found on our PG. Okay, let me just share my screen. It's taking a while to load though. My connection is really bad. So sorry. Um, okay, let me share my screen. Yep, so you're looking at a portion of the PG. So there are various sections over here. So we have the home page, we have Get Connected, where you can kind of book like your mentor over here. And also we have the project submission section, and we also have the resources and FAQ. So I'll just go through the submission portal first since I'm on the page because it's taking quite some time to load, and this has already loaded. So basically, when you're at the submission page, there are submission artifacts, more details about artifacts over here, and also for the portal, it should have been released. So we'll update the PG right after this opening ceremony. So once the portal is available, you can click on the link, and then you can see how you can submit a project. So we will have. Oh, okay, it has been updated. My colleague Zil, he's really quick, he's really updated the page. Okay, yeah, it's up. So basically, I think you have to key in your first name, last name, email, and then you'll receive a code. So check your email for the code, and then once you log in, you will see like the portal with all the fields that we need from you. So you can just populate those fields, and then you can submit a project. You can save the project at any time, and you can revisit them. You're free to edit them before the deadline. So no worries about that. So yeah, so just follow the guidelines over here, and you'll be able to make your submission easily. So for the mentor, it's also quite easy to book as well. We have like very clear instructions here on how you can book your mentor. So you have the mentor cards over here. There is a panel over here. You can access your Calendly through the mentors cards. So for example, if you want to click into Chris one, you can click it, and there is a Calendly link here that you can use, and you can book a time with him. Yeah, you can look at his bio and areas of expertise as well. So we do have quite a few mentors over here. All right. Okay, I hope that answers your questions. Do we have any more questions? Yeah, there's a bunch of resources as well. Do check them out. Yeah, we have resources from past hackathons. We'll also be uploading like the workshop recordings over here, so you can check back. So for opening ceremony, that it'll be recorded, and we'll upload it over here on PG. We also send the link on Discord. We also have resources for various stages. Yeah. So and all the ecosystem resources are also here. Yeah, so those are nicely put together by each ecosystem team. Yeah, so they are all over here. Hopefully that helps you with your journey. Okay, any more questions? If not, I think we can end the session. Thank you so much for joining us today. Hope you have a great day or a great evening. So it's just the start of the day for me. All right. Thanks, everyone. Take care. Bye.